Hello there guys and girls, good evening. We're still here in Bichara Cinema, Legazpi City. I'm gonna give you the loopholes of this movie, Bar Boys. What I have noticed for this one, aside from it's really a full length and but it's not a slow pace. But I think they should trim some of the scenes and they can make it more shorten and they will shift to other type of they can switch it to other scenes, like some of a funny ones or anything that they could think about other topics, not only for the bar exams. What I'm trying to say is it just like that they should shorten it. And the second one is when one of the cast shaved the head of the other co-stars. Why is it that I have an idea for you? In just an instant, he or she gave the wig for the one who got shaved the head. What I'm trying to say is, in just an instant, he or she got back from the house to get the wig. So it's really unbelievable to have the wig being ready. So I think he or she can give the wig maybe on the second. Maybe he or she can give the wig on the following day, not in just an instant. So it's really unbelievable. And the third one is the loophole is what's the other loophole? I forgot. It's on my mind. Wait, give me some seconds. Loopholes. Now I know. In a restaurant, this particular actor asked for a break, and then the manager allowed him to took a break for at least 1 hour. And then suddenly, after an hour, he came back to the restaurant, to the place wherein there are lots of people dining in, and then why is it that the whole entire restaurant accommodated assisted only by the manager without helping him? So how come that's really impossible to make it happen with just one manager do it only by himself? So it's really impossible to make it in just 1 hour. And then I know that the director want to make it to surprise I don't know if the moviegoers or what I'm trying to say is the director make it just to the director wanted to make it because of the scene for the manager and the waiter, just to surprise him, or the manager want to surprise the waiter because of the waiter having a financial problem. And what I'm trying to say, guys and girls, it's really unbelievable to make it only by the manager to do the cooking, to serve the food to the guest. I don't know. So that would be all. Bye for now.